Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add extra baggage to your Qatar Airways flight. There are two ways to do this. First, if you already booked your flight, go to the Qatar Airways website and click the search icon. Tap Manage Booking and select it. Now, enter your booking reference or e-ticket number along with your last name. Once your booking appears, you'll have the option to modify it and add extra baggage. Pay the fee and you're done. Second, if you haven't booked yet, start booking your flight on their website. During the booking process, when you reach the baggage section, select the amount of extra baggage you need. The fee will be added to your total. And that's it. You've now added extra baggage to your Qatar Airways flight. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.